The sun had just peeked over the horizon when I opened my eyes, not to an alarm, but to the sweet sound of birds singing right outside my window. That first breath of cool morning air drifted in, carrying the unmistakable, comforting smell of fresh bread from my grandmother's kitchen. Ah, the first day of the summer holiday. I felt that familiar thrill, that pull to rediscover every hidden nook and secret corner of the village. After a breakfast that tasted like love, my cousins and I kicked off our shoes and just ran. We raced barefoot across the vast, open fields, the morning dew on the grass tickling our feet as we laughed, completely carefree. Above us, the sky was a brilliant, endless blue, and the sun bathed everything in its warm, golden light. It felt like we were the only people in the world. Our first mission, the old fig tree. It stood tall and proud, a silent guardian of our childhood secrets. We scrambled up its sturdy branches, our fingers sticky from the sweet, ripe fruit we picked and ate right there. The taste, it was pure, unfiltered childhood. That's the only way to describe it. Later, we made our way down to the river that meandered behind the houses. The water was crystal clear and refreshingly cold, and we giggled as tiny fish darted around our toes. We became expert boat builders, crafting little vessels from broad leaves and watching them sail away on their own tiny voyages. Every single moment was an adventure just waiting to unfold, a story waiting to be written. By noon, our stomachs were rumbling, and we sprinted back home, hungry and buzzing with excitement. My grandmother, a true magician in the kitchen, had a feast waiting for us. A huge, homemade lunch of fluffy rice, crisp vegetables straight from the garden, and perfectly roasted chicken. We all gathered under the cool shade of the grapevine, telling stories, sharing silly jokes, and letting our laughter fill the warm afternoon air. As the sun began its slow descent, painting the sky in shades of orange and pink, we hopped on our bicycles. We pedaled along the familiar dusty roads, watching the village transform in the magical evening light. We'd wave to neighbors sitting on their porches, sipping tea and enjoying the quiet, peaceful end to the day. The sweet, intoxicating scent of jasmine flowers followed us wherever we went, a fragrant reminder of this perfect place. When night finally fell, we claimed our favorite spot, the rooftop. We lay back, our heads pillowed on our arms, and just stared up at the sky. Without the glare of city lights, the stars were breathtaking. They sparkled like a million diamonds scattered across a deep, dark ocean. There was no noise, no traffic, just the gentle chirping of crickets and the soft whisper of the breeze. In that moment, I felt completely free, blissfully happy, and utterly safe. Before sleep finally took me, I made a silent wish for this day, this feeling, to last forever. Life in the village was simple, yes, but every single second was overflowing with love, joy, and life itself. And I knew, deep down, that these memories, these golden moments, would stay with me always, shining bright like those very stars in my memory. Thank you so much for spending this day with me. If you enjoyed this little trip back in time, please give this video a like and consider subscribing for more stories. It would mean the world to me. See you in the next one.